Hi, my name is Karthik and you are watching my Poddar KK Tricks and Technology. And this is C Sharp in written interview questions and answer series. Okay, so today actually I will show you with the demo and the logics how we can implement alphabet O with an asterisk. Okay, so first let's see in the demo how it will what will be our output. So this is our output. Okay, so this is alphabet O shape, and we will create in C sharp with an asterisk. Okay, so first we have to understand what need for this, and actually this require generate to this shape. So you can see over here actually also we have a flow chart. I will discuss about the flow chart also, so don't worry about that. So one by one I will cover all of things. So first actually I need two loop actually uh, a row and column. So this is a basically row, this is a basically row. You can see over here this is a row and this is a column. Okay, so this is a column. Okay, so okay, so this is a row and this is column. So how many row required and how many column are required for creating this shape? So first first firstly let's understand how what the requirement. Okay, so you can see over here 0 1 2 3 4 5 6. So if I will start from 0 index, so I need to take 6 rows, okay, from the index of 0. Okay, so 0 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, and how many columns over there? 0 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, so first it will be space. Okay, after that we will column 1, column 2, column 3, column 4 and column 5. Okay, so 5 column we need required and 6 rows we need required from the index start 0. Okay, okay, so before implement we have to understand how many logic are there. Okay, so you can see over here it is first logic. Okay, and it is a second logic, but it is a similar of this logic. Okay, so I will create one logic for this, two left hand side legs and right hand side legs. Okay, and one more logic here, we will create only two logics, and second logic here you can see over here top and. Okay, only we want to print 3 star. Okay, so this is our main logics. Okay, so how we can implement as a flow chart first, after that we will implement in a Visual Studio C sharp. Okay, so first you can see over here I will take a row and column. Okay, so I will row first I will take a row, and row you know um, less than equal to 6, it means it's true condition, so it will come under the column loop. And column loop again will check if column less than and equal to 5, so it will match this logic. If this logic will be matched, so it will print star. You can see over here it is only star, nothing else. And if does not match this logic, so it will print space. So we are in a blank, so that means we have put the space. Okay, so basically this process over and over will go till the end. Okay, so basically this is a flow chart. So let's implement in a real practical example. Okay, so first I will open my Visual Studio. I've installed Visual Studio 2019. So I will create a console application. So just click on the create on console application with the .NET Core. You can choose any with the previous framework like .NET framework also. So right, it is a latest technology also, latest compiler. So I will choose that one, and it would be name also. If I creating O, so O alphabet, so O demo. Okay, and let's create. Okay. Mm, okay. Now it's creating. So first, actually, if you will see, you will look in the output window, what actually output. So this is our output. So first we have to decorate, this kind of thing. So what actually we are creating. So that kind of things we have to know. So first I will, actually you can see over there. First I need to declare, two variable. Actually, I want to two loop are required. So that's why I will, declare two variable as a row and column. So int row as well as column. Okay. After that, I want to, decorate for this kind of thing. So very straightforward, console write line and slash n and the console write line. I will put, display the pattern like, okay, like O with the n asterisk. Okay, and let's put on the new line again and just, dotted under this, questions we have to put the dotted line and that's it. Okay, that's it for the decoration. Okay, it's only just for the decorate. Okay, nothing else. Okay, so now I will, create a loop. Okay, first I need to outer loop, which is which will be contain a row as a row. So I will put the name as a row and I just remove these things. And row, how many rows are, as we had discussed, six rows we need. Okay, so start from zero. So I will put, equal to six. Okay, okay, and one more, no, one more loop we required, that is column loop. Okay, so again I will, it is a inner loop. So I will create inner loop as well, and that name would be column. Okay, it's also, have started with zero index and it will end with the 5 index. Okay, so very simple. Okay, now we want to implement that logic. Okay, so you can see over here we want to, first we have to create, your left hand side legs. Okay, so which, which are index of this column. Actually this is a column, you can see this is a column. So 0 1, column 1 we have to create your left leg of this, okay. So I just will put column equal 1. Okay, and you can see over here we don't require of, row 6 and row 5, row 0 and row 6. Okay, so we need, except to this, this rows we need print the star. Okay, so what would be our logic, very straightforward. Column 1 and row not equal to 0 as well as and row not equal to 6. Okay, very straightforward logic. So I will create, one by one logic. Okay, so one, first I will create this one, after that I will create this one and this one and this one. So it will, know very, very good understanding. So how we are creating, so that's why, it will take some time for video, but I think it is a better understanding. It's a need to record like this. Okay, so I will put if this logic will contain. So what I will do, according to, our okay, so yeah, according to, if this logic will match, you can see over here. So I will print, star. So that very simple. I will just console CW. Okay, and I will just remove a line because I don't create a new line. So I just win and I just put in over here the star. Okay, and same, not a same, just I will put if does not match this logic. So I will put no space. Okay, so this is a main actually condition. So after end of this column, suppose okay, so suppose then it will start from here and end with the call no first row will end. After that we have to move next line. So it is a column, that is the column. So first column, second column, third column. So after end this column loop, we have to print, we have to send the new line. So where is the end of this column? This is end of this column, and just paste and okay, not a paste. Okay, you can use CW and twist two times press in a tab, so it will generate automatically console dot write, and actually it is a new line. Okay, we don't want to print anything. Okay, so I have to set after the end of this inner loop, and also I will set of the end of the outer loop. Okay, main loop, let's call. Okay, that's simple. Let's build this application. Let's see any compiler error in this application or not. So you can see over here it's working fine, it's build succeed. Let's debug and let's run the application. Okay, now you can see my first requirement has been completed. Okay, so a left right hand left hand leg has been created. Okay, as well as we have to create it right hand legs. Okay, so what is that index? It is a one column index, and it is a which column index? So just need to count 0 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, so it is a 5 column index. So I just add one more logic over here, or because I want to print column 1 as well column 5. So column 5 as well. Okay, so these two things I need wind up because this is a OR condition. So that's it. Okay, now I just run again. I will run again the application. Okay, now you can see over here it's the two requirement has been completed. Okay, now we need to create one more requirement over here. We need to you can see here we have to set according to this logic. Okay, we need to print 3 star on the top as well as and. Okay, so it is very simple and no simple logic. Okay, so first, okay, I will, okay, so okay, not like this. Okay. Okay, so I just need wind this logic because I have to create one more logic, so that would be like this, or okay, and or where I have to put this, index row is a 0, okay, and index row is a 6, okay. So two place we have to print this star. Okay, as well as where I want to print the star, how many columns, which column index, column 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. That means 2, 3, and 4 column we need to print, in a star. So what would be our logic? Our logic would be like column. Okay, so first I will I will set row, which row required, row equal 0 because it is a 0 index of the row. Okay, so first of row equal 0, okay, and column, okay, greater than 1 means, greater than 1, and it means it will start from 2, and okay, okay, and column less than 5. That means it will end with the 4. Okay, so just wind up this logic because it is a one logic, so that's why I will set up this bracket. Okay, now I will run this application and I want to see what exactly out. Okay, now you can see I have implement as well as the top one logic. Okay, and same thing we have to implement in the last one. So which is our row, which row we want to implement. I have set 0, so that's why it's print only 0 index, 0 row index. And when I will print on the when I will set the logic of the row 6. Okay, so this is a row 6. Okay, so you can see over here we can add 0 1 2 3 4 5 6. So this is a row 6. Okay, so I just put, okay, okay, I just put or row equal 6. Okay, I just bind this logic also because it is a organization. Okay, that's it. Okay, so now I just finally run this application, and I can see as per expectation we have implement you know our O shape, O alphabet shape. Okay, so this is very simple. Okay, so I will just show you while debugging how is it actually it's generating. Okay, so just I will put these things and I will run this application F5. Okay, and I will separate here. Okay, now I will press F10. You can see how is this creating. You can see over here it's output window. First time it's blank, second time it's print first star, and again blank, then again this kind of condition as per our logic. You can see over here it's printing, and I think it is last one. Okay, so you can see after last one, first loop, it will end of the first inner loop, and it will exit the outer loop as well. Okay, so now it's has been created. It is very simple logic. you know Please try one or two times or three times. If it is not understanding, if any issue, any query, so please feel free send me the comment in my comment section, so I will help you, I will guide you, and with the better example. Okay, so till then, thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel.